Okay, so let's say you decided to just enter the program without auto importing anything on the landing page. And now you've had a chance to look around and you want to start importing some things. So you don't have to restart the program and get back to the landing page. All you've got to do is select an option from the drop down here. You've got the same choices that are available on the landing page. So similarly to that, if you have an existing file that already has all of its platforms, multiple different platforms set up and put together, you're going to choose GameLoom Library. Otherwise, if you're using a file you got from the Steam exporter or the PlayStation exporter or Nintendo or any of the other ones that are specific to these platforms, you'll choose these platforms. So just to give you an example of that, if we went to Steam and I chose a Steam file that I know is associated with Steam, then I would get only the Steam games, right? But then let's say I wanted to add another file that I knew had PlayStation stuff in it. We would go back and we would choose the PlayStation, and then we would navigate to wherever we have that file. We would find our file, and we would hit open. And then we notice that at the bottom down here, it's always just going to append new additions to the bottom. You can sort and filter as you like, down the line, but when you import things, it's always just going to add them to the bottom. So if you check the bottom of your full library, you can see all of the PlayStation stuff. And this just continues on until you have everything you want in there. So you can do it with itch, Xbox, Nintendo, whatever files you have that are associated with these. And again, the GameLoom library works for not just previously exported GameLoom libraries, but also just whatever custom CSV you've been tracking manually over time. As long as you set a platform on it, it'll know how to automatically handle it. If you haven't set a platform on it already, you can always add one in the edit tab, but that's a different video.